Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today is going to be a natured inspired video today. This is definitely going to be home decor, and you can use this decor on the outside of your home as well. So I pulled out two Lotus vases that I've had for over 20 years, and they're still in very good condition. I had to clean them up a little bit, and I don't have all the pieces that belong to the vases. There's like a candle tray that should sit inside. I don't know what that is. I lost track of that a long time ago. But anyway, I'm going to use these two today in the video, and I'm also going to be creating 4 other home decor ideas that you could use outdoors as well. On a picnic table, in the back part of your home if you're setting up for the holiday, for the 4th of July. Okay guys, so I'm going to get started. So to cover the hole at the bottom of the vase, I'm going to start with this gold colored contact paper. I picked the contact paper up from Amazon, and as you can see, this contact paper is really nice striations inside. So I cut away a small piece, and what I'm going to do is just trace 2 circles, and then I'm going to cut them out, and then I'm going to attach them to the bottom of the vase. When I get ready to put all the other decoration inside, it won't fall through. So I'm going to start with a little bit of floral foam, and I'm going to use some hot glue and attach it to the inside. And now I'm going to use this fake moss and just fill it up. Just fill it up a little bit and make it look really natural and natured inspired. So I'm just going to move that around a little bit and make sure it looks nice. So I picked up some succulents from my discount store. At my discount store, I got 3 for $1.50. These are really, not in the best condition. That's why they were so cheap. And then I have some bigger succulents that have like a dusting on them. I think they call it flocked. And yes, I'm going to be using a lot of this stuff today. And so I'm going to take these smaller ones out the pot, and I'm going to use these to decorate this particular vase. So I'm just going to press everything in. I'm just going to push it through the foam. I'm going to be using a lot of greenery to fill up a lot of the empty spaces. A lot of this stuff I had on hand, and some of it I got from the Dollar Tree. So now that that's done, I'm just going to clip away a little bit more greenery, fill the empty spaces out a little bit, and then I'm going to just kind of make sure it's arranged just nicely. So now I'm going to take this bag of stones that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to pull out just a few. And what I'm going to do with these is just fill them in just to create a more natural, realistic look. Guys, for this one, this came out really nice. It looks very natural. It looks really beautiful, and it would look lovely sitting outside on a picnic table or inside on at the window. So now I'm going to start working on the second lotus flower candle holder, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use some different succulents. Guys, I really love the larger succulent, the flocked ones. These are so nice, and they actually look more realistic than the ones that I picked up from my discounter store. This came out really nice. I love the way this looks. Next, I'm going to use a square vase from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to fill it halfway with some white stones. These stones have been polished. I picked these up from Amazon, and I'm going to use these tan stones on top, and these are polished as well. This came out really, really nice, guys. These little vase ideas are so simple. They're quick, they're easy. You don't have to do a lot of work. You just kind of put your beads in, or you can use your floral foam, and you just add whatever succulents you want. So now for the next project, I'm going to use a round vase from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this floral foam, which I'm going to cut in half, and I'm going to adhere it to the bottom of the vase. Next, I'm going to be using some more of those stones from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to fill up the outer perimeter of the vase, and then I'm going to add some succulents. So this is a glass candle vase holder. It's nice and heavy, guys. I got that from my discount store a few years ago. And I'm going to use a little bit of my permanent adhesive and attach the two pieces together. I'm going to let it dry overnight, and then I'm going to come back and show you what I'm going to do with the rest of the project. I'm going to fill the vase up with water, and then I'm going to add a floating candle on top. I love the way this looks, guys. The candle looks really beautiful. So this is a cylinder vase that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to create a similar project. Guys, that came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way that looks. So now for the final project, I'm going to use this mirrored makeup brush holder that I picked up from Burlington a couple of years ago. I never used this, guys. I just never used it for anything. So I'm going to use it for this project today. And I just wanted to show you the glass. The mirror is beveled edge, and it looks absolutely beautiful. So I've already cut down 2 pieces of floral foam to fit inside the vase. And now I'm just going to fill it up with the white polished rocks, and we're going to add some succulents. So guys, I'm just going to keep adding some more greenery, but I have to tell you guys, this is probably my favorite of the projects because I'm using this mirrored box. It looks sort of elegant. I really love the way this looks. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.